Welcome along. My name is Chief Courty. Ndikoba tanganeza ndikore kabone ndi madekwa na abu nda. Ngasindebele bakithi ngithili njani. Shona ndothi makadi tinombera isu. I would just want to tell you that we're going to be giving you nothing but the very best in the world of sport right here on 263 Africa Sport with myself, Chief Courty, of course, and the crew behind the scenes. We are going to be really getting into the hard-hitting news in just about 5 minutes as far as African sport is concerned. So stay locked on and enjoy this edition of 263 Africa Sport with Chief Courty. We start with some tennis news where Cara Black and Sania Mirza did us proud as Africans, and most certainly as the Zimbabweans. They went there in the WTA finals and they won this one in the doubles session. And too bad, it's the last time they're going to be playing together in their 13-month stint. But kudos to Cara Black for flying Africa's flag so high. Well, some sad news for the African sport. Very, very sad to hear that Mburayeni Mulaudzi of South Africa died in a car crash over the weekend. And then, as if that was not enough, we also woke up to the news that Senzo Meyiwa, a goalkeeper for Orlando Pirates and also captain for Bafana Bafana, also shot dead in an attempted burglary. That's all we've had so far as the details are coming through from South Africa, but very sad for sport. Definitely South African sport is going to be poorer without these guys. And still talking about South African sport being poorer as well, Oscar Pistorius was sentenced to 5 years in prison. Oh my word, it doesn't rain but it pours for our neighbors in South Africa. We are certainly with them, and we certainly wish all the best to the families of those that have lost their family members. South Africa are chasing the #1 sport in the one-day internationals, and they are playing in New Zealand, where they are enjoying themselves. They've played some fantastic cricket with Vernon Philander being the pick of the players there. He's played some fantastic cricket so far in that particular tour. But still staying with cricket, going to the Zimbabwe national team, they call themselves the Chevrons, and we follow them so ever dearly here on 260 Africa Sport. But they have had a tough time out there in Bangladesh, in Dhaka, in the first test, where they made 241 and 114 runs in their 2 innings that they have batted so far, but not looking good at all as far as the batting is concerned. I don't know, maybe you can tell us what you think of that batting unit. Do you think it needs to change? Do you think something needs to be done? I don't know, man. I think yeah, it's time we see some new faces in that particular team. Maybe things will be different. I know the conditions are tough out there, but yeah, we need a change. Well, we'll move on to some rugby news where Zimbabwe has been awarded the rights to host the Confederation of African Rugby Sevens tournament. It's going to be happening at Harare Sports Club, so you want to be part of it, part of the action. This is the equivalent to the AFCON if you're putting it in football terms, so it's a big one, yeah? I think we should be celebrating that Zimbabwe is hosting this one. So 12 countries in total will be in Zimbabwe from the 29th of November down to the 30th. It's a 2-day tournament. Interesting stuff coming through. Remember, this is a program for the Africans. And still talking about the Africans, I've got a question for you. You know, I'm wondering, there's Ebola. It has really come to Africa and it just caused a serious havoc. And by the way, you need to watch out wherever you are. Please be cautious, because this is a very, very deadly disease. But it gets me worried when we talk about this particular disease. Do you think the AFCON is going to go ahead next year because of Ebola? I think maybe we must try and change things, you know, move to a country that may be neutral in terms of Ebola. But then again, it may come in with the players. You know, there were rumors that Michael Essien had caught Ebola. So would you want to see your own stars, you know, going down with Ebola? I don't know. What do you think? In fact, just get in touch with me. Tell me on our WhatsApp platform, on our Twitter, as well as our Facebook page. They are there right there on your screen. Let's get talking. Do you think Ebola is a threat to our sport in Africa in general? Remember, we are going to be here live for you, giving you nothing but the very best of African sport. So please get in touch with us. Let's keep talking. Let's keep the conversation going on Twitter, on Facebook, and on our WhatsApp platform. We've got it all, man. We are also even on Instagram. If you want to just not say anything, just post the picture. You know, we'll hear you. Sizaguza, Baba. Sizaguza. Now, it gives me great pleasure to say I'll be joining you next time again right here on 260 Africa Sport with Chief Courty. We're going to be doing this every time, man. It's going to be interesting. leaves me to say zwashu mfano bananga ndinifuna zone kamabe na duba labude da